How to update Grubhub app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Grubhub application. To do so, you will need to open your Google Play Store. If you are using the Android device, you will need to open any app store available on your device if you are using the iOS device. Since I'm using the Android device, here I'm going to open my Google Play Store. Open your Google Play Store application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon and in this space at the top, you will be able to see the search bar. Now you just simply tap on it and then there type in Grubhub. Once you enter this keyword, now search for it. Within a while, you'll get the search results below. Here, simply tap on the authentic Grubhub application icon to reach inside it. Now, here you will need to locate the update option. If the update is available, you will see the update button next to the install button in this page. You will need to simply tap on this update button to download and install the latest version. Now you will need to wait for the update to be completed. The app will automatically download and install the update. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. If in case you didn't see the update button, that means your application has already been up to date. And once the update is complete, now you will need to tap on this open button right here to launch the updated Grubhub app. After that, you can explore the app to discover any new features or improvements that has been added after this update. So by following these steps, you should be able to update your Grubhub app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.